Let's see this question. What will be the amount repaid if a man borrows rupees 10,000 for 5 years at a rate of 12% simple interest per annum? So they are saying that a man has borrowed, right, an amount. So what is that amount called? According to our terminology, it is called as the principal, right? Therefore principal amount P equal to 10,000 rupees. Okay, and then what is the amount, what is the time period for which he has borrowed the money? It is 5 years. Time period is 5 years. And what is the rate at which he has borrowed it? It is 12% simple interest per annum. Okay, so now if you observe it, a man has borrowed 10,000 rupees for 5 years at a rate of 12%. This is important, per annum. Okay, sometimes they might not give it per annum, they will say that it is per 6 months, right, and it is for years. So you have to be very careful about these two. Okay, now for the total amount of time, if you know what is the amount repaid, that is what is asked. So we have already seen that earlier. The formula is A equal to P into 1 plus RT by 100, isn't it? So which is nothing but 10,000 into 1 plus what is RT, 5 into 12, which is 60, isn't it? 60 by 100. So it is going to be 16,000. Okay, so you can compute it is going to be 16,000, which means it is nothing but, see, if you expand it this way, 10,000 plus 6,000, right? Now what is the 6,000? The 6,000 is the simple interest we got for 5 years. And what is this? This is the actual amount. Therefore the final amount that you will get back is equal to the principal, which means the amount that you have given plus the interest that it has earned. Therefore these two we are going to get. Okay, now this is one way of solving it. Other way of solving it is, if you observe it, they are saying that we are investing it for a period of 5 years. Okay, for a period of 5 years, and for every 1 year we are going to make some profit. So for every 1 year they are saying that the rate is 12%. Now if you think of it as if we are getting a profit for every 1 year, now the profit is 12% per year, and we have invested it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 such years. Therefore the total profit you are supposed to get over this period of time is 60% profit you are supposed to get, right? Now if you think of it as if it is in the profit and loss, the final amount will be 160% that of the initial amount. Why? You are supposed to make a profit of 60%, right? Therefore the final amount will be whatever your initial amount is, 160% of that. So 160 by 100, which means for every 100 rupees of your investment you are supposed to get 160 rupees, right? So it is 160 by 100. Now what is it? 1000 into 160 by 100, sorry, 10,000 into 160 by 100. Again you are going to get anyway 16,000 only, right? So this is the total amount you are going to get. Okay, fine.